Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. So, welcome to the second tutorial on this Roblox Studio. In this video, we'll see the basic scripting, how to print hello world or any text in this Roblox Studio. This is very easy. And in the previous video, if you have missed, I'm just saying, you can put the output folder here at the bottom by going up to window here, and if it is not checked, just activate output so that you can see all the console or the output details here. This is must. Okay, so I'll be stopping the play here. So in the previous video I have kept all these parts, right? Parts or the objects, you can say. So for the camera focus to be on the object, press letter F, select the particular object and press F key so that the focus will be shifted to the the particular object. So for our convenience purpose, in this video we are going to print the hello world. So I am taking a new part or the new object, now this time a block. I will be selecting this and I'll be moving it to here. Okay, fine. Yeah, fine. So I'll be just scaling it a bit more so that it can look a bit bigger. Okay, fine. Now we are going to apply the script here. So in the previous video I have shown you path, terrain, character, GUI, right? Now I'll take a script here. As soon as I take the script, see here, I'll be selecting this one. In my scene area or the game area, when I select this and when I take a new script, this is automatically getting under this. So if at all, if it is outside like this, where is this? Yeah, when you drag and drop the script outside, maybe if the script is outside, what you can do is you can drag this and drop on a particular object so that it will be under the child, means under this parent. So this script, whatever you write here, will apply to that particular object. In this case, when you select this script, when you select, double click on this, you can write whatever the name you want. Say for example, I am just saying like hello world program. Okay, done. And this is the hello world, right? Means there will be many scripts, right? To recognize, I have changed the name. So print hello world, you can just copy this, and you can just paste. So hello world, my first scripting. Yeah, anything you can give just for the testing purpose. Okay, no need to save or anything, directly you can execute this program or run this game. You can see the output here. I am running the game. See here, just scroll upside so that you will see hello world, my first scripting in Roblox Studio, hello world 2, hello world 3, hello world. Yeah, this is the program which is executed. This is just because the object is available here. Okay, the object is available in the scene, right? We have placed in the scene. So whenever you execute, I'm stopping this. Okay, whenever you execute, the script which is in the scene, means the objects which are holding on the scene, will try to execute the script. So you will see the execution here. So this is how you can write hello world program on Roblox Studio. And say for example, in other languages you need to write somewhat syntax, right? Likewise here the syntax is just print and you can give parenthesis or what. Okay, just in the quotes you can give some any text you can give, and I'm not even saving anything, I'm just directly executing the game. When I execute the game, you will see any text here. See here, this is how you can take, first of all, select a object, whatever the object may be. Maybe for this time what you can do is, I'll be stopping this gameplay, I'll be going to this car object and I'll be selecting this, and quickly I'll taking the script, and this is a car. In the next video I am going to tell you how you can give the movements, rotations, everything in with the scripting. Okay, this is a car. Quickly I'll run this game. Yeah, where is this? This is a car. See here, this is a car. So yeah, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments. In the next video I'll be showing you how you can give the movements. See here, this is the ping pong movement, right? And likewise I'm going to give the movement for the car to move in the forward direction and ping pong style and etc. With the scripting we can do some interesting realistic things. Okay, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.